Hi everyone, it's Brian. It is Tuesday, September 17th, and it is the 23rd day of our video per day experiment. As you remember, yesterday was a big tax deadline. The extended S corporations and partnerships were due yesterday, and that meant that, at least for our team, there were a lot of returns that went out. So today has been one of those days where you kind of regroup, refocus, and kind of dot all the I's, cross all the T's for the projects that were completed over the last few days, clean out the emails, and go make sure everything gets filed away correctly and all the documentation is kind of closed out. I know our team is all digital or mostly digital. In the old days, it was physically cleaning papers and shredding documents. These days, it's more going through emails and files that you've scanned and make sure everything got saved correctly and at all or to the right client. So that's been today's activities. Also running some lists on what we're missing from clients, putting in some calls, asking for some missing information that are for the returns that are due next month. And so anyhow, it also rained today a little bit, not a whole lot, but it's promising. It's kind of warm and humid out here, but hopefully this will start our trend of temperatures not hitting 100 any longer, and we can start enjoying some more time outside. Anyhow, I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.